So, you want to become a graphic designer? No worries, I got you covered. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Simran Arora, a full-time graphic designer specializes in logo and branding. With over 3 years of experience in design, I am here to guide you and build your career in design. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know to become a graphic designer, including the essential tools, recommended laptops or computers, both free and paid online learning platforms. Stick around till the end, as I am also gonna share some tips on how to build a portfolio so you can get your first client. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to become a graphic designer is a simple pencil and this sketchbook, which I got from Amazon. You'll get the link in the description. This is really basic and really important tool if you're starting out in a creative field. I sketch all of my ideas and thoughts in it so I can get the clarity and authenticity in my projects. So the second main thing is computer or a laptop, obviously. So the specification should be 8 GB RAM is good. Minimum above 1650 graphic card, 4 GB DRAM, and the processor should be CPU Ryzen 3 or Intel Core i3 with 12th generation, and SSD should be 250 GB and hard disk should be 500 GB. Computer monitor should be 16 inches or can be above, and with minimum 60 Hz. Okay, and IPS panel screen quality for color accuracy. Otherwise, you will see different colors on your laptop screens and your phone screens, and this will create a chaos between you and your client, because your client will be wanted some design in a yellow color supposedly, and you give him the design in a different shade of yellow color, and that will be a conflict. So that's why I prefer the IPS panel screen quality, so you don't get this problem. Another important thing you need is a storage device, because some files are gonna be way too much large and you can't just store in your laptop on your in your PC. So you can buy a simple pen drive so you don't run out of storage. Last but not the least, you can have a stylus pen or a graphic tablet. Now this is completely optional. I have a graphic tablet XP Pen Deco Mini 7, which works really well, and I've been using it from like past 1 year, and all of my sketches, everything I do with this stylus, because it's handy, it's easier than working with a mouse on a computer, so I prefer this. You can have anything else, but if you want this stylus link, I'll put it in my description. Graphic design is a really vast field. You can't just pick your favorite software like a favorite color and dive into the market. You must do experiments and try multiple softwares before deciding your niche. The main softwares you need to learn are Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. I've been using these since I've started my journey as a graphic designer, because I feel they are handy. I have my good hand in Illustrator as well as in Photoshop. These two tools are enough to get started in design. If you want to dive deeper, then you can try UI UX designing. There's so much demand of this niche nowadays, and for that you need to learn Figma, right? Or Adobe XD, you can also do that. There are plenty of design courses available on internet, both paid and free, but I have summarized some best courses for you to watch and learn from them. The first paid course you should definitely watch is Graphic Design Basics Core Principles for Visual Design. It is available on Skillshare. You can check this out. The link is in my description. The second one, which I have put in my video, is Graphic Design Masterclass Learn Graphic in Projects. You'll find this on Udemy. Both videos contain plenty of knowledge about graphic design from basic to advanced. If you want to learn in depth, you can consider these courses, and they're both paid. But the one thing I love most about my career is that you can learn from anywhere for free. Here are some YouTube channels that will teach you design softwares without asking for a single penny. So the first one is GFX Mentor, my personal favorite. He has a complete series on Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and many other softwares, as well as like After Effects and Premiere Pro in depth, like you learn in a class when you join a course or a degree. Like it's a full-fledged online degree but for free. The second one is Satori Graphics. He teach graphic design so neatly and he have value in every video. I mean, if you like watch his one video, you'll feel like he can teach you something that every other designer cannot, because he don't only teach you the basics or the softwares, he teach you how to design. So it's really necessary for the designers who are just pursuing their career in graphic design in 2025 to learn the basics and principle as well as learning the softwares. The third one is Rajiv Mehta. He gave insights on how you can become a better designer and how you should talk to a client, how you should charge for your services, because Indian market is completely different from the foreign markets and you have to deal with the clients differently, because here the clients want value in affordable prices. So Rajiv Mehta is a perfect person from where you can learn the design deeply. The fourth one is Flux Academy. You can find it on YouTube as well. They post hour-long videos on full courses of graphic design, web design, brand and entity design, which you should not miss because it's a complete masterclass but for free. So after months of learning and practicing, you are ready to build your graphic design portfolio. But there's one problem. No clients yet. Don't worry, here's how you can create a standout portfolio from scratch, showcasing your potential and creativity even without a single client. The first thing is start with personal projects. Create projects around industries or themes you are passionate about, and design a logo, social media campaign, or website of a fictional brand using ChatGPT. I will share the prompt in my description. You can just copy paste it and change it according to your needs and use it to get the fake design brief. This let you showcase your style and the type of work you want to do. The second best way to build a portfolio is redesign existing brands and products. Choose an existing brand that can use a fresh look and redesign it. For an instance, pick a small local business or a lesser known brand and create a fresh logo, fresh website and packaging for them by showcasing the before and after. Trust me, people appreciate redesign concepts because they help them envision what you can do for their brand if they hire you for a project. And there you have it. Those are the essentials to kickstart your journey as a graphic designer in 2025. Remember, this field is all about continuous learning and creativity. So don't be afraid to experiment and find your unique style. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe and turn on the notifications for more design tips and tutorials. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'd love to answer. Thanks for watching and happy design!